Do you believe in monsters? Well, you should. I've met one once, and he devoured my face. My name is Musa. I'm 11, and I live in Burkina Faso. You won't see me. Media doesn't want to show me. Too horrifying for the public, they say. That's why you will only hear my voice. The voice of us, the 140,000 children that Noma kills every year. The same voice that is asking how to fight a monster whose victims are invisible.
To answer this question, we made Noma more visible. First, to make people know about this monster, we chose to rely on the media they like the most, they watch the most, they share the most, their own face. Secondly, we decided to use one of their favorite tools. You know, the one they play with to transform their faces just for fun, and just for the time of a snap. We showed them the effects of Noma on them instead of the victims, with a Snapchat lens especially created for the campaign. For once, augmented reality showed reality. We advertised it through Snapchat and Instagram stories because, again, people watch stories every day now. And as we didn't actually show the disease, media finally talked about it. A lot. Everywhere. Today, we'd love to tell you about the billions of impressions of this campaign. We did have some, but not enough. Meanwhile, as Musa says,
it's easier to fight an enemy that can be seen. So let's give Noma a face. Yours.